What if your program runs forever without making a single system call? How does the OS get the control back? Let's see. OS cannot stop a program by itself, and it takes the help of hardware using traps and interrupts. Here we saw that the program runs its own code on CPU in user mode, and it's a restricted mode. It cannot do something sensitive like accessing a file or accessing hardware. It must ask the OS for help by making a system call. For a programmer, a system call looks similar to a normal function call, but internally it executes a special trap instruction. The kernel runs on a protected kernel stack, and once the task is done, OS execute a special written from trap instruction. Now the hardware restores the user program saved state and switches the CPU back to the user mode so that it can resume from where it left off. The system call model works as long as programs give control to OS cooperatively in a periodic way. But what if it doesn't? What if the program gets stuck in an infinite loop and it never makes a system call? To handle this, OS relies on a crucial piece of hardware called a timer. Before starting a user program, OS configures timer to generate a interrupt after a specific time slice. The interrupt forces control back to the OS, which saves the current process state, chooses another process, and performs a context switch, breaking the infinite loop. This balance of fast execution with guaranteed OS control is called limited direct execution. Thanks. Follow me for more OS content.